Hey guys, before you watch the video, do us a favor. Please subscribe, like, and please share with your friends. It helps us out immensely. We can get this channel rolling and get some more people to watch it. We really appreciate it. And if you do like us, hey, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Now watch the video. Hey, good morning everybody. My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to Miss Fitz Adventures. This morning, we got up pretty early. We got up at 7 o'clock, which we don't usually do. I don't, she does. And we're gonna go down to Rockaway Beach, and I think we're gonna try to get on the train. We're gonna see what happens. Last night I tried to get some tickets, and I don't think it went through, but we got to be there by 10 just in case I did spend the $44.
Yeah.
Or $42, whatever it was. So that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go down to Rockaway Beach and we're gonna take the train. All right, so check this out. All right, everybody, we are here, and where is here is Garibaldi, and that is kind of south of Rockaway Beach. And as you can see, this is the Oregon Coastal Scenic Railroad, and that's what we're going to do today. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. This train is gonna leave, and I don't think we could get back until 1, so I think what we wanna do is we wanna get the train, it leaves at 12, and then come back at 1 or 2, whatever. But it takes you down the road.
Are you riding the train today?
We are, but probably later.
Okay, do you have your reservations? Because they're going fast.
I know, we're going in just a second to do that.
Awesome.
We tried to do it online last night, but it didn't go through.
It's a little confusing sometimes. I think
Well, it wasn't confusing, it just didn't work.
Oh, well then.
Didn't get a confirmation, didn't get anything, so we called. She said we're not on it, but we can't come back at 11 because we can't, there's no room,
there's
it's
no
full,
room.
so.
So yeah, I know that the 2 o'clock train still has some space.
Okay, for it to go both ways?
Leaving Garibaldi up and back.
Okay, we were trying to hopefully at 12 o'clock and then come back.
I'm not sure that that one's available. I think it might also be full.
Okay, cool.
But they will know.
We'll go in.
The computer. It's
all right.
News technology.
Gotcha, thank you.
Thank you.
So anyways, this is the train. Hopefully we can get to go on it. I'd like to be on an outside car so we can get some better scenic pictures instead of out a window. It probably doesn't roll down. But anyways, yeah, here's the train. All right, so we just went inside, and we didn't have reservations. We made them last night, we thought, but they didn't go through, obviously. And this train is not booked up, but the ride back is booked up. So that means that we're going to have to wait there until 1 o'clock. So instead of doing that, we decided that we're just gonna go kind of tour around here for a little bit, and we're gonna get on the 2 o'clock train. And the 2 o'clock train will take us there, and then we'll come back by 3 o'clock. So it's only an hour ride. It takes you to the next town over.
Yeah.
It's only like a 10-mile trek. So here's some old cars and old engine. Looks pretty, huh? The old number 90. Steam-powered locomotive. I wonder if they have used that up until a certain time. They also have dinner. They have a, they do a dinner. They have some dinner cars that they attach to it. I don't know if this is them or not. And then they go down. I guess it's further. It's like a 3-hour tour,
Yeah.
Wasn't it? 3 hours?
3 hours.
Yeah.
It takes you over all the way up to Wheeler.
So there's the train. It's going to take off. There's the caboose. Look what's across the street at Dairy Queen. And we don't have our dog with us today. Max stayed home. He's checking out the house, making sure nobody enters. So we left him home. And there she goes. We'll be on this about 2 o'clock. So this goes to the Rockaway station, and that's what we'll be doing when we go at 2 o'clock. Just takes us, like I said, to the next town over, but it's pretty scenic. It'd take us over some really pretty waterways, yeah, and the little bridges over the waters and stuff. So we're just gonna check out this area over here and maybe get something to eat. And at 2 o'clock, which is half the day is gonna be over, we'll be back over here getting on the train, and we'll go for a ride in the last half of the video. So meanwhile, we're here, and this is that town that we passed through that had the big smokestack over there. We got to figure out what the hell that thing is. All right, guys, so we were going to take the train at 10 o'clock, but the ride coming back was full, so we would have had to wait there until like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock to come back. So we are going to go on the 2 o'clock train, and that way we'll come back at 3 o'clock. And like I said, it doesn't take you that far. It takes you back to Rockaway Beach, which is 7 miles, 10 miles. But it's the scenic beauty of it all. It takes you along hugging the coast, and it is really, really pretty. So we're going to be doing that at 2 o'clock. So meanwhile, we decided to just go check out more of this area. And when we were down at Meares a couple weeks ago, we were looking for the lighthouse and couldn't find it. Well, I think maybe we should go and check out the lighthouse today. And that's only about a half hour away. So we're gonna go check that out. Meanwhile, we'll be back here before 2. Probably get a little DQ before we get on the train. And that's where the station is. And that's me. And we're gonna go check out the lighthouse. So there is that big incinerator stack there that's probably about 15 stories tall or more. Don't know, have any idea what that thing is. But we saw it last time we were here and still don't know what it is. All right, guys, gonna go down to find the lighthouse. All right, guys, so we were looking for the Cape Meares Lighthouse and got lost like, what, 3 or 4 weeks ago. And I think we found it now. While we're waiting for the train at 2 o'clock, we started driving around, and we are going now down to the lighthouse on this road. So the road that we got on here dead ends right into where we were 3 weeks ago, where it dead ended and we thought that was private property. So the road in between was shut down, and we had to go all the way around this mountain to go to the lighthouse. So we have a half a mile, it said, to go down here, and the lighthouse should be up here. It's a state park. Pretty pretty. Doing a little construction in the woods. Moving some of these old logs around. Yeah, put that in the back of the truck. So here we come down. This is the Lighthouse Parking. And there's people out here. Yeah. Shaky, shaky. All right, so let's go check this out. The lighthouse is. You just go straight down that way. We're gonna go over and look over the edge over here. Gonna go up, walk around the corner here and go down. It says the Meares Lighthouse is right around the corner here. I hope it is. All right, so we're walking down this path. This is where the lighthouse is. We could see it from here. It's not a very big one, but hey, it is a lighthouse. Another scenic vantage point. All right, guys, so we've just been sitting out here checking this beautiful view out. Got a little bench here. This is looking south. Got a nice little beach all the way down there. You can see the clouds rolling in. Marine layer kind of thick out there and it's kind of trying to dissipate. I don't know if else you can see. Those rocks over there has got a hole right straight through it. That's pretty. Well, what do you think?
I like it. I'm glad we got lost.
I'm glad we got lost too. Yeah, so we took the end of the road to get here. It was the 131, yeah. And it got us to the end of the road, which was the lighthouse. So when we got into the parking lot, we realized that when we went the last time, we were coming from a different direction. We were coming from north. What they made us do was go all the way back around south and come back up. And yeah, it was pretty neat. So we talked to a couple hikers, some guys that were going down to the beach just because I was going down to the beach. And another guy, older guy, he was hiking the Oregon Coast Trail, and he started in California and went over the border and has hiked the trail all the way up to here, to this point. And he's going up to, I guess, Astoria, and that's it.
Yeah.
So he's almost done. Today he said he's going to get down to downtown Tillamook. Right now it's only 12 o'clock, noon. The clouds are burning off, like I said, and we're going to have to leave here in about an hour. We're going to go get something to eat, go back down into town, and hop on that train and check out the train ride. But meanwhile, we're going to walk down a little bit, and we're going to check out the lighthouse, and then hike back up again and check out the beach here. Right?
Right.
All right, guys, let's go. We're here at the lighthouse. That's what it looks like from one side here, overlooking everything. Sea lion life. Yeah, so this was the Meares Lighthouse. When we looked for and couldn't find, we found it. Very pristine, really pretty looking. So that was absolutely beautiful. We never found the waterfall, though. We still haven't found the waterfall. But it's supposed to be up here. And the octopus tree, not sure where that is. We thought it would be right by the lighthouse because it said it was, but it wasn't. So we're going to go back to the truck. We're going to get something to eat, and then it's about 12:45 now. We got to be on the train at 2. So stay tuned for that, guys. All right, guys, so we just went to see the lighthouse down here. It was really pretty. We're going to drive back around the bay, Tillamook Bay, and go over to the railroad depot and hop on a train that goes only a few miles, but it's going to be really pretty. So check it out.
There's a few more coming behind in our hurry. They're just... That's true. Where's the bed?
There's no beds on here, honey. You can lay down here. Get up here.
What?
I think we lucked out.
I think we did too. But you just sit where you want to sit, and that's it. So that's what the engine looks like over there. We were in that car right behind the engine. I don't know what car we will be in. That caboose right there is actually the Chamber of Commerce we showed you the last time when we found out there was a train here. So yeah, so now we've got an hour to wait. They just dropped us off here, and we can go down and check the beach out, or just sit up here probably. Really didn't get sunny out today. So this is beautiful Rockaway Beach. Hey everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed our video today. We had a great time. We went up to the Lighthouse in Meares finally. We found it.
Yes.
We didn't find the waterfall like I thought we would, but maybe there's a next time for that. And then we got to ride the train, and that is called the Oregon Coastal Train. And it doesn't go very far. It actually only goes 5 miles down the road. It goes from Garibaldi to Rockaway Beach, and then it backs up and goes backwards. It costs us, let's see, for normal passengers, for adults it's $22. For seniors it's $20. So for us it cost $42. And yeah, so it was kind of worth it. There was some good shots and good scenery. But yeah, we're at the Lighthouse. That was a lot of fun. And then we came back because poor Max has been home all alone all day today, and he misses his mommy and his daddy. Don't you, buddy? So I want to thank you guys for watching us today. You can always see us every Sunday at 6 o'clock in the morning. And you can always check out some of our older videos up in the top. You can see some of the videos and click on those. We've got a big playlist of all the old videos that we first made when we first started doing this. And check those. And yeah, and then we'll see you next week. So I want to thank you guys again. Come back and see us. You can write us at msfitzsadventures@gmail.com. You can see us on Facebook or Instagram, and you can get us on our new website, which is misfitsadventures.com. The stickers we have are $7. You can get those by sending us a self-addressed stamped envelope to P.O. Box 1012, Warrenton, Oregon, and that's 97146, and we will send out a couple stickers for you right away. So next time we'll see you. We're going to take Max wherever we go next time, probably, because he was missed today. We missed him so much, but it was good to have him not here. Yeah, riding on mommy's leg. All right, guys, so I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot. Be good. Take care.